In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between NotePlan and Obsidian for notes, tasks, and planning. Both apps are excellent, but they serve different needs. Think of NotePlan as an all-in-one daily planner and Obsidian as a powerhouse for knowledge management. Starting with pricing, NotePlan is subscription-based, which usually means ongoing features and support bundled in, while Obsidian's core app is free, with optional paid services if you need sync or publishing. If you prefer a predictable integrated setup out of the box, NotePlan leans that way. If you like to pay only for extras you actually use, Obsidian has the advantage. When it comes to workflow, NotePlan brings your calendar, tasks, and notes together in a single place. Its daily notes are the heartbeat of the system, so each day you'll see your scheduled tasks alongside your events and any notes you jot down. The built-in task manager makes scheduling simple, which is great if you want minimal setup and a clear plan every morning. Obsidian, on the other hand, gives you flexible pages where you decide the structure. It's phenomenal for linking ideas, building a web of knowledge, and exploring connections with features like links, backlinks, and a graph view. Tasks are possible, but they usually require plugins such as a dedicated task plugin or integrations with tools like Todoist. That means more customization and power, but also a bit more tinkering. In terms of linking, NotePlan supports basic links and offers a limited backlink system. It works, but it's not the star of the show. Obsidian shines here, letting you connect notes richly and visualize your thinking. If you're building a personal knowledge base, Obsidian's linking model is a major draw. Customization is another dividing line. NotePlan keeps things simple with minimal customization, which can reduce decision fatigue. Obsidian is highly customizable with themes and plugins, allowing you to shape the app to your process, from the look and feel to how tasks, references, and dashboards behave. Consider your devices too. NotePlan is best in the Apple ecosystem on Mac and iOS. Obsidian runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS, so it's ideal if you need cross-platform access. Choose NotePlan if you want daily planning, built-in tasks tied directly to your calendar, and an Apple-only workflow that just works. Choose Obsidian if your priority is knowledge management, deep linking with a graph view, heavy customization, and the freedom to work on any platform. If you're still unsure, try each for a week with the same project and see which one matches your thinking and your day.